Alright guys, so today we're going to cross multiply. Alright, so quickly to start, simple. Cross multiplying is used when there's a fraction on both sides of an equal sign, in which one fraction has an unknown, or one of the fraction has the letter or the thing that we wanna get the actual value for. Call it the unknown. Alright, so in this question here, you can clearly see fraction, equal sign, fraction. And one of the fraction has an unknown which we want to solve for. Alright, so that's how it does know if you can cross multiply. The unknown could be at the bottom or the denominator or the numerator, meaning on top. Well, so to be on top. Don't get frustrated. If you see it at the bottom. Alright, so as the first thing. So let's go. So to cross multiply, all you're really doing is you're multiplying each diagonal then solve for the unknown. That is really the foundational element of it, right? You multiply each diagonal and you just solve for the unknown. Right, note, when you multiply a diagonal, it goes on one side of the equal sign. It really doesn't matter what side you put the diagonal on. If you start with the diagonal from the top to the bottom in the second fraction, you could put that first, but it really matters what you put in. Alright, so let's do this one as an example. So we see any two diagonals in green and red. So the first diagonal is 3 by 4, but we're multiplying the diagonal. So if we start up, we'll have to draw equal sign here. Alright, so the first diagonal, 3 by 4, is 12. And then the other one is x by 4, which we know by 4x. We just multiply the diagonals, and we put each side on a different side of the equal sign. So we have two sides. Alright, and it just solve for the unknown, which in this case is x. So the operation here is multiplication before. So when we carry across this 4, we will get division. So you end up with x is equal to 12 divided by 4, which is 3. So x is equal to 3. Alright, so that's all it really is for cross multiplication. You just multiply the diagonals, if you get a normal equation like this here, and you just solve, in this case, x. Alright, so you multiply the diagonals and solve for the unknown. Each diagonal goes on one side of the equal sign, and well, the other side will go on the other side. So it really matters, right? It really doesn't matter. Once you're doing the correct thing, correct steps. Let's try like 2 questions and call it a day. Alright, same concept. So multiply the diagonals. So in this case, we have 9 fours or 36. 2x by 3 is 6x. So that's why before the 6 multiplication carries across, so we switch to division. So we end up with x is equal to 36 divided by 6. 6 is at 36. So x will equal to 6. Right. One more, just to make sure we understand. So we have this. So normal cross. So 2x by x, it really matters which one. So that's the other one. So 2x by 6. Now what I'll do? 2x by 6 is 12x. 36 by 1, put on the next side, 36. Yeah, it doesn't really matter which side you put each diagonal on, right? Just remember that. Right, and now we just solve x with multiplication when it goes across, so switch to division. So x will equal to 36 and 12. And therefore, x will equal to 3. Yeah, I don't know. That's the end as well, right? So that's a recap. When you cross multiplying, you multiply the diagonals, and you put in each diagonal on one side of the equal sign, and then you solve for the unknown. That's all it is. And to know when to cross multiply, you'll have a fraction on each side of an equal sign, and with one fraction of the unknown, what you need to solve for. Yeah, there's it. Later.